Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the world's fastest climb, and also I'm going to show you the climb. So if you don't know what this is, it's actually a Guinness World Record where a kid tried to beat it and he bet it. So if you haven't watched that video, it's in the link in the description, so don't worry. So we're going to do that, and also the tutorial also as well. So we're going to do this. So the thing, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. For that, you need a powder. Pods could be good, yes. First step. Second step. That much is enough. Don't put too much.